Tired of Instagram chopping up your videos? We're about to show you how to post the full story, tutorial, or moment without those annoying cuts. First things first, you'll need an app called CutStory. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Go ahead and download it now. Once CutStory is installed, open the app. You'll be greeted with a simple interface. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to select the video you want to upload to your Instagram story. Browse your video library and choose the long video you want to share. Don't worry about the length. CutStory handles the rest. CutStory automatically splits your video into segments that are each the maximum length allowed by Instagram stories. Usually 15 seconds. You'll see these segments displayed within the app. Now, simply tap the Save to Gallery button. This will save all the individual video segments to your phone's camera roll. Next, open Instagram and go to Create a new story. Instead of recording a video, swipe up to access your camera roll. You'll see all the video segments that CutStory created. Select them one by one, making sure to post them in the correct order. Add any text, stickers, or filters you want to each segment. Remember, Instagram stories disappear after 24 hours unless you add them to your highlights. And that's it. You've successfully posted a long video to your Instagram story without it being awkwardly cut off. Your followers can now enjoy the full experience. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Now go forth and tell your story.